Friends, we're back with a new sketching video, and this time we're going to be drawing anemone. So let's start by drawing a circle. Let's draw another circle. This is going to be our middle circle. I'm going to draw a bigger circle. Now I'm going to draw the petals from the innermost circle. Add more petals until you like the shape of your flower. Now let's draw the leaves. This is the guideline for my leaves. Let's build on it. I'm gonna add a few more leaves. Now I'm gonna give it a black outline. Fill the middle circle with dots. Not completely, but on your guidelines. A couple of them, probably not too many. You can have a couple of dots at one spot and lesser on the other spot. I'm going to draw the petals. Let's speed this process up. Now let's add some color. Now I'm going to use brown for the inner circle. I'm going to use dark green and light green for the leaves. I'm going to do the veins of the leaf in dark green. And I'm going to use light green to fill it up. I'm going to use a color pencil to give it a more realistic effect. I'm going to do it at one of the sides of the petals too. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more art and craft content, smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. And do be creative.